Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about top 5 food related websites in the world. So let us see what are those top 5 websites. First one is bbcgoodfood.com. This is from BBC channel. It's very popular channel from UK. So that is one website. Next is allrecipes.com. This is another very nice website, and they have got different website for each region. For example, for Australia they have got a website called as allrecipes.com.au, and similarly for different regions they have got different websites. Then next is simplyrecipes.com. Then next is jamieoliver.com. This Jamie is a very popular chef, so he has got his own website. And finally, if you are from India, then food.ndtv.com. this is another popular food related website. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you to computer and then show you what all recipes are there and what all features are there on this website.
This is the first website, bbcgoodfood.com, and over there if you want to search for recipes you can search directly from here, then in that search box, but there is also a menu over there, and they have categorized the recipes based upon health, then family and kids, cake, cuisines, dishes, then occasions, ingredients, based upon ingredients, then based upon events, quick and easy recipes, seasonal recipes, special diets like gluten free, dairy free, low fat, low GI, then in vegetarian. And the next menu they have got how to's, where you can learn like how to manage the oven temperatures, then sugar temperatures, then how to manage your health and nutrition, and lots of other things like roast calculator, cake tin size guide, volume and weight converters as well. This is one of the top website from UK. Next website is this allrecipes.com. On this website also they have put the different recipes in various categories like meals and based upon ingredients, global cuisine, that is different section altogether. Just click on the recipe that you want to learn more about it, and then there will be detailed steps. Next is simplyrecipes.com, and if you go to this /index, this page, there you can on the left hand side see the categories. Like let us say you want to see the recipes related to the pasta, then just click on pasta, or if you are interested in, let us say, chicken recipe, just click on chicken, and then on the right hand side it will display all the recipes related to the chicken. And that you can also categorize like most viewed, most pinned, most recent, like that. The next is Jamie Oliver. As I said, he is one of the best chefs in the world, and he has got his own website. Here you can search for various recipes. There are all the categories are there given there: baking, family food, special occasions. If you go to the food news, here the next website is food.ndtv.com. this is the Indian website, and most of the recipes will be for Indian subcontinent, but you can also try it if you are living in other countries as well, because Indian food is really delicious.
If you think that I have missed any website, or if you think there is another website that is much better than these websites listed here, let me know through the comments. Thanks for watching this video.